Every versus all. What's the difference? Confusing word series. All passengers must turn off their phones. Every passenger must turn off their phone. Same idea? Yes. Same focus? Not exactly. And once you understand this small difference, your English becomes much more natural. The basic idea. Both all and every can talk about a complete group. That is why both are sometimes translated as all. But the difference is in how we see that group. With all, we look at the whole group together. With every, we think about each member inside the group. So the meanings are close, but the perspective is different. When we use all. We use all when we focus on the whole group as one complete unit. Example: all passengers must turn off their phones. This announcement is for the whole group, everyone on the plane. The focus is not on one passenger, then another. The focus is on the group together. When we use every. We use every when we focus on each member of the group. Example: every passenger must turn off their phone. The rule is the same, but now the focus is slightly different. We imagine each passenger separately, one person, then another, then another. So every means all members of the group, seen one by one. A helpful memory tip. Here is a simple way to remember it. All means the whole group together. Every means each member in the group. That is the key difference. Now let's look at the rules. Rule 1. We use all with plural nouns. All students need an ID card. And with uncountable nouns. All equipment must be returned. We use every with a singular noun. Every student needs an ID card. Every child wears a uniform. Why singular? Because every means each individual one in the group. Rule 2. We can use all and all of before articles, demonstratives and possessives. For example, all the books, all of the books, all these ideas, all my friends. But we do not use every in the same way. We do not say, every the book, every my friend. That is incorrect. Rule 3. Now let's look at a common pattern. All day, all week, all month. These mean the whole period. Example: we stayed at the beach all day. This means from morning until evening. But every day, every week, every month. Here the focus is on each separate day, week or month. Example: we went to the beach every day during the holidays. That means each day of the holiday period. Practice. Choose all or every. Every child in this school wears a uniform. We use every because child is singular. All the windows are open. We use all because windows is plural. We worked all day. All day means the whole day. She calls her grandmother every week. We use every because we mean each week. Summary. Remember, use all when you focus on the whole group together. Use every when you focus on each member of the group. And also remember, all goes with plural and uncountable nouns. Every goes with singular nouns. So today I say goodbye to all of you and to every one of you. And now you know why English can choose one word instead of the other. Write your own example with all or every in the comments. Thank you for learning with Lingportal. I hope you achieve fluency in English and feel confident using it in both spoken and written communication.